Good morning, children. Welcome back to the new social session, children. In the previous sessions, we tried to understand regarding the Parivarajakas and the great Parivarajakas like Mahavira and Gautama Buddha. Now, after completing about the Parivarajakas, let us move on to a new topic, a new lesson, sculptures and buildings, children. So, coming to the sculpture, what does it mean? Sculpture mean the exterior decoration what we do, okay, like carving on the stone, carving on the wood, okay, and the method of constructing a particular building is called as a sculpture. So how this sculpture was of the ancient building and how we have developed our sculpture in the modern days. So how this all got evolved, we shall learn under the sculptures and buildings. And children, the style of building construction in our country and the style of building construction in the cold countries, will it be the same, children? Will it be the same? जहाँ पे बर्फ होती है, where the snowfall happens, okay, occurs, whether the building will be flat like this? No. Their roofs will be slopy, because as soon as snow falls on them, they allow it to escalate, or they allow it to slope it down. So this is how the construction style varies from the place to place. We use the burnt bricks, whereas in some other areas they use the stone boulders. So different construction of buildings had taken place from the ages immemorial. So we shall understand how this construction style got evolved in our country. So in order to understand this one, we need to go back some 4,000 years ago, right from the Indus Valley civilization, where the archaeologists digging some ancient cities like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro cities were found in the Indus Valley civilization. They used very nice stone and bronze sculptures besides seals carved on stones, okay, and they had very sharp material through which the carving was done by them, and baked clay figurines also. You can see it's given in the textbook, some of the figurines, okay, and you can also observe the bronze statues which they have made it even. So these were made some 4,000 years ago, and you can see some of the pictures there in the textbook, and you can also see that these depict everything in a natural manner. Nothing looks like artificial, okay. They depict the natural manner, and we don't know what they were used for actually, but they were found in the excavations conducted by the archaeologists. Archaeologist बोले तो कौन है जी? Who is an archaeologist? What is archaeology? Archaeology is nothing but the study, the science which deals with the ancient things is called as archaeology. Ancient things mean खोजने से जो मिलती है ना वस्तु, थिंग्स, वो पढ़ने वालों को आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट बोलते हैं, एंड द साइंस विच स्टडीज देम इज कॉल्ड एज आर्कियोलॉजी. सो ये लोग जब खोदे इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन जगह पे, ओके, दे फाउंड टू इम्पॉर्टेंट सिटीज, वन इज हरप्पा एंड द अदर वन इज मोहेंजोदारो. So they found many sculptures there, many kind of figurines there made up of clay. So about them, the first cities like Harappa we shall learn under these sculptures and buildings. So in chapter 6 already we have read about the humans led a migrant and nomadic life early. During the early life, okay, the human life was nomadic. That means moving from one place to another place in search of food is called as nomadic, or they are called as a migrant. But after a long time, for a very long period, they were hunter-gatherers. They were moving from one place to another place. And it was only 10,000 years ago that they began agriculture and animal herding in modern Syria and Palestine. It got started. And in the Indian subcontinent, some of the earliest villages are found in the northwestern region in the Baluchistan, dating from 7 to 8,000 years ago. Baluchistan means now presently in Pakistan, which was a part of the Indian subcontinent earlier. So in that region, we have found some 8 or 7,000 years ago dated earliest villages we can find it. And people in different regions took to agriculture. Agriculture got started only 10,000 years ago. People in different regions had took up the agriculture, and slowly village life got started. Most people still practiced hunting and gathering in those areas. But when did the first cities emerge? The city life is completely different. So when did these first cities have emerged? In the Indian subcontinent, it happened only some 5,000 years ago. In the northwestern parts, in Balochistan region, in Sindh, Punjab and in Gujarat region, it happened. And archaeologists have excavated, वो निकाले, खोजने से वो cities को बाहर लेके आए. So remains the remains of the large cities were found by these archaeologists. Though we do not know actual names of those cities, but we call them with the modern names of the villages in which the remains have been found. So you might have heard about the famous cities like Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan, Lothal. These are the areas which have been excavated, these cities. So in the tomorrow's class, we shall further understand about these old cities. Thank you, children.